Hey, how you doing? George Price, and today I will be doing an unboxing review on the Cobalt 80 volt hedge trimmer. Now this is a tool only. Lowe's carries these, but they carry them with a battery, and I'd already ordered 80 volt lawnmower, which came with 2 batteries, Cobalt lawnmower, which came with 2 batteries, and this is 80 volt battery, pretty good size. And I've charged both these up and getting them ready for this to come in. But we're going to unbox it and then do a trimming test on a rose bush I got out back. It's become a kind of a problem, so we're going to do that. But again, this is a hedge trimmer only, no battery included, and Lowe's carries these, but with a battery. So if you want to buy one of these hedge trimmers, and I probably could have got by with the 40 volt hedge trimmer, which is a little less money. But I just said again, I already had the mower here with 2 batteries, so I thought, I don't want to buy another battery if I didn't have to, so I went ahead and ordered this, and it came in just a few days that don't have a battery, just a tool only. Okay, have a instruction user manual here. And I will go through this, but it looks like it's a pretty simple outfit to use. You put the battery in, press the button perhaps, and it starts up. But again, it's got this blade guard on. It just comes off, and of course the blade. But pretty well balanced. And here's where you put the battery in on the side and press a button, and you should be ready to go. So again, we're going to put the battery in, take this thing out back and work on that rose bush and let you know how this 80 volt Cobalt brushless hedge trimmer works. Okay, here it is again. It's a Cobalt brushless 80 volt hedge trimmer, and I ordered this one without the battery because I got the mower already. The battery's in there, and to start this, pretty easy start. You press this button and pull the switch on it, and away it goes. So I'm going to do some trimming on this rose bush back here and see how it does. It really did a great job. Some of the bigger limbs, you had to go straight at them, but once you got on them, it didn't bog it down at all, and just kept on going. But again, some of the limbs were bigger. Let's see. Limbs this size, it went straight through them without any problem once you had the direct angle of attack with the blade on. So I'm pretty, like I say, impressed with this 80 volt Cobalt brushless hedge trimmer and what it can do. So if you have any questions about this, I got stabbed a little bit. Have any questions about this 80 volt Cobalt brushless hedge trimmer, let me know. But again, Lowe's only carries the ones 40 volt with the battery included. I think maybe they also carry the 80 volt with the battery, but you'd have to check your local store. But with the battery, because most people, that's what people would want. But I already had the battery, so I went ahead and ordered it online, and it came in just a few days, and it was delivered to me here, so it worked out real good. Again, any questions, leave them down in the comments.